Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And ngayon, we were only able to get chicken fillet. Na Thai chicken fillet na may konting skin. So we're just gonna do some breading and some gravy. So what's so special about this? Kung nagkikrave ko for that chicken, yung may pagkalasang chicken happy, hindi ko ata masabi yung buong name, baka matimanda ako. Yung chicken na masaya, lasa siyang ganon. So the secret there is I use this as my breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna cut up the chicken. But before I cut up some chicken, I will have to grill this. Okay? Let's go. So here you go. I'm just gonna pulse it. Make sure. Inaano lang natin siya. Pinapasmooth yan. Okay. O, diba? Parang it's not working out. Basa siya sa ilalim. I had to switch from the blender to this because medyo basahin pa to. So, see? It's basa. And just squeezing it. So basically, since ang sarap rin, basta yung blender, hindi natin magawa yung kanina. But ideally, if the blender is really dry, you can actually just squeeze the potato chips there, or crush the potato chips. I'm just doing this manually. Okay. Here. So you want it to be extra smooth because it will burn if we fry it. Okay, so this is Oishi potato chips. I'm just making sure. See, may buo-buo pa. And very squeezed. Okay, so what do we do? So here, we'll just cut up some chicken. So you would like it to be small. It's pretty much very thin na, so mabilis lang ito maluluto. Gonna slice it up so it's easily cooked, no? Kasi nga, you don't want it to be very thick because baka masunog yung potato chips. Slice it up. Okay. There. Okay, and then salt and pepper. Gonna put some salt, pepper, and then magdadala dito is the gravy and the breadcrumbs. Hindi ko alam kung natunan ko na before paano mag-breading, di ba? Flour una, eggs and breadcrumbs. I think we were able to do it one time, right? So I'm just rubbing it. Daming pepper no, pero okay lang yan. Naparami yung pepper, but I swear it will be good. I will just put flour. Flour ko lang muna, then eggs. So, perfect to for baon also. For lunchbox pwede. But not so peppery, I guess. There. Hold on. There. Okay. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. Okay. So now, after I coated the very peppery chicken, so okay lang yan. Pwede rin siya pang pulutan. I'm just gonna coat it with some eggs. Okay? Put it all there. All sabay-sabay. Okay? Yan. So, I put a little bit of water. And then, from here, I'm just gonna put it all here. There. Hold on. Let me wash my hands. Seal it para madali siya i-breading. Or kung meron kayo nung malaking jar ng mayonnaise, you can do that also. But since ito lang yung Ziploc size, I'm just mixing it all up, making sure it's very much coated. So then we're gonna start cooking it here. Pero while I'm frying it, I'm going to make our gravy. So yan siya. I'm just making sure it's very much coated. So this one, see, you see, it's pretty much coated na. Okay, nice. With potato chips. So, may ibang parts hindi pa, oh. So, we're just going to So we're gonna make our gravy. Let me just make my slurry, or my flour. So we're just making our slurry. And then, since wala tayong breadcrumbs, I'm just gonna add a little bit of cornstarch to make up for all of those, yung mga spaces in between the potato chips. Kasi nga, medyo malaki. Fix this. Making our gravy. We want it a little bit brownish, no? Not naman brownish, but we don't want it to be so blonde because we want to make it into a gravy. So we want it a little bit dark. Now, we're gonna put wala pang lasa yan. So our gravy. Very simple, diba? So that's about 2 minutes on each side, Just cook it. While that's frying, I'm doing my gravy all at the same time. I'm talking to the guests. Kung medyo quiet ako sa videos ko, it means may bisitang nanunood. Kasi naka-conscious ako. Kasi even if hindi nyo sila narinig ko. So it's like my ears are listening to the conversation kasi chismosa ako by nature. Yeah. So there, basically, 1 more minute and I'm gonna flip it over. So we're gonna boil it. Put it to boil para mag-thicken. And once it boils, I'm gonna add my Nor seasoning. Sage, Nor seasoning. Nabalik na rin ko. It's not cooperating with me. There you go. So ito, hintay lang natin ito mag-boil para mas mag-thicken pa. And we're not gonna add pepper. We want a little bit neutral tasting gravy kasi medyo napadami ako ng pepper. So this one will just probably 3 more minutes and it's cooked and ready to taste. Yeah, now it's boiling perfect. It's perfect. It's going to thicken. This one's 2 more minutes. Can you smell it? I can smell it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce for the color. There you go. That's our potato chips. There you go. So here is our potato chips crusted fried chicken. Kasi, like what I said, the potato chip gives the extra flavor. You have to remember, it's full of flavoring. So, para siyang lasang chicken happy. Pero let's test it, if it really tastes like chicken happy. The taster. So, it's all brownish. Ready na mag-taste.
Let's taste it.
It's potato chips crusted chicken.
Boneless?
Yeah, boneless.
Type in boneless. How will I lose? Possible. Yeah, it's not bad. It's good. It's good. I don't mind eating it. I don't mind having it. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Kaso ako mahilig ako sa ketchup. Alam gusto ko with ketchup. Gusto ko ito. Gusto ko actually masarap daw with rice. With fried rice. Yeah. Yeah. Now, we taste it with ketchup. Better with ketchup. So chicken with ketchup for comfort food.